Yeah, the sun came out, so I went back out to a different park. And I'm doing the playground here first. And right here, right there, quarter signal. Now let's see. Yep, there it is. Cool. On to the next. Still doing the playground. And look what I found. It's bling. I don't think it's real. If that's real, I'm a rich man. But it's not real. But on to the next. Yeah, right in this area. Ooh, about a foot by foot. I ended up finding a 4-coin spell. A dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. So that's not too bad. On to the next. Yeah, I've been picking up bobby pins with low signals and stuff. I had another low signal here, so I figured, you know, still cleaning it up. And I got, I don't know if this is a toe ring or a baby's ring. It's kind of cheap. Maybe it's one of those 50-cent rings you put in the, you know, put coins in and you get it out of the gum machine. But hey, my first kind of ring in a long time. I'll take it. On to the next. Yeah, down here about 2 inches down, right over here. I had a really yucky, ow, I just hit my head right on there. Anyway, I had a yucky signal, but I dig everything. And it was a earring, another bling. You know, it looks like garbage, you know, but it's still bling. Bling, bling, bling. And do yourselves a favor, guys and girls, when you're metal detecting. I mean, I had no choice today because I got my other shoes wet, but these have steel toes. You hear it? So it drives me crazy because I'm looking ahead to see what's in front of me, and every once in a while I'll step and I'll be like, oh, and then all of a sudden it disappears. I'm like, oh dang, it's me. So rings and steel-toed boots and bracelets, don't wear them. On to the next. Yeah, down here I got another low tone about an inch down, and I had a hard time finding it, but it ended up being I think another earring. I'm not exactly sure. He's supposed to close, but it's really solid. So I'll get home and I'll see if I can get it freed up a little bit and let you know. It's today's the day for bling, I guess. On to the next. Well, this is the first time I found one of these. You know what that is, folks? You put that on your head, and you know it actually massages your scalp. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, see you on the next. Yeah, rang up real low. Ooh, pretty, isn't it? I don't know if you can see it. I was excited when I first saw it. I thought, oh my god, that ring or whatever. And I got it out. It's a freaking bottle cap. How terrible is that? Because it was grunting low, and I thought, oh my god, I got my first gold of the year anyway. No, of course not. On to the next. Hey everybody. I know I was out before in the rain, but now I finally got out in the sun. It was too beautiful a day to stay inside after I got soaked. Let me show you what I found. found an omnisaur. Found that earring. This other earring. This other earring, I guess that's an earring. I found this ring. I found this, I don't know what it is. It's got little diamonds on it. I have no clue. It's fake, whatever it is, but I have no clue. Okay. I got 1 quarter. What was it? 1, 2 dimes, and the rest pennies. It wasn't very fruitful, but it was a lot of fun. A lot of fun, a lot of excitement. So I hope everybody had a wonderful day, because mine ended up that way. Good luck, happy hunting, and God bless. Yeah, let's not forget this scalp scratcher.